In this video, you will learn a brief introduction to Photoshop. Don't mind how sophisticated the UI looks. In our subsequent videos, we are going to be taking these features one after the other. What is Photoshop? Photoshop is an advanced photo editing software. With Photoshop, there is no limit to what you can do. Your only limitation is your imagination. This is the menu bar. The menu bar gives you access to more advanced features and the control. The menu bar contains all the properties in Photoshop. That is where you will find all the properties in Photoshop. Here we have, this is file menu bar. File menu bar has name. You can create new project, open, you can open already saved document. It has save, save as, import, and so on and so forth. This is edit. This is image. It has image. You can change image size and the canvas size. This is layer. You can add new layer. You can also delete layer. This is type. This is select. This is select. This is filter. This is view. This is windows. In window, you can add windows to your workspace. You can add windows to your workspace. You can also remove any windows from this workspace. This is help. In help, you can search for any options or any control that you couldn't find. You can search that particular control here, and you can also report if you have any problem regarding this application. Okay, this is the tools bar. The tools bar contains all the tools available in Photoshop. Don't worry, in our subsequent tutorial we will be taking these tools one after the other. From here you can collapse and extend it. This place is called the tools option bar. So this tools option bar contains the properties of the selected tool. Like I select the move tool now, you can see it gives me all the options of the select tool. When you come down here, this is vertical and the horizontal scroll bar. You use it to preview the hidden part of your work. That's the function of the scroll bar. This place is called advanced palettes. It gives you more information and control over your photograph. This is where you will find more options and the more controls that you will use in your photograph. This place, from Windows, you can add new palettes. You can add new palettes, any palette that you wish to add in your workspace. You can add them from the Windows. You can also remove any palette that you want from the Windows. This place at the right, this is the navigator palette. The navigator palette has color and switch. So the color, this is where you have to pick the color that you want to edit in your photograph, the color that you want to edit. So from here you pick the color. This is paths, this is channels, and this is layers. Layers are very crucial in Photoshop. With layers you can restore any project or you can restore any work. That is, if you made a mistake in one particular layer, you can choose to hide that particular layer and then restore the other layers that is okay for you. So that's the usefulness of layers. In our subsequent tutorial we will be discussing more about layers. We'll go extensively in layers, and you will see the more usefulness of layers. I know a lot is going to your mind right now. Don't worry, in our subsequent tutorial we will take these features one after the other. Once again, thanks so much for watching. See you soon.